Today, we'll teach you how to enable the Do Not Track feature in Zoho SalesIQ in a few simple steps. If you want to stay updated with videos like this, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon.
The Do Not Track feature in Zoho SalesIQ allows you to prevent IP addresses of some particular users from being tracked in SalesIQ when these users visit your website. Such users can be operators, portal owners, or admins of Zoho SalesIQ. Sometimes they need to enter or visit the website, but they don't like to be tracked by Zoho SalesIQ. To do so, you can do not track their IP addresses, and when some support personnel visits the website, they won't be tracked at all. Click to Do Not Track under Controls Settings section, click Add, and specify the IP address of the operator which you don't like to track at all. Choose a brand. You can choose all brands, and this IP address won't be tracked under all brands, or you can specify some particular brand. Let's choose all brands. Additionally, you can also add a command stating the reason why you don't like to track this IP address. Finally, click Do Not Track. As you see now, this IP address, which we have added previously, is enabled, and this IP address won't be tracked. Let's move further, and I will explain what is the auto-picked option in Zoho SalesIQ. SalesIQ can automatically detect and add the IP addresses of all the operators which logged to their SalesIQ dashboard. As we see, the demo users logged to his or her SalesIQ dashboard 14 minutes ago. And by default, SalesIQ automatically detected this operator's IP address. And we can see this IP address, and this IP address is auto-picked. Now we can set the Do Not Track feature for this auto-picked IP address of the operator which has logged in previously. Just disable this function by switching the toggle. Now the auto-picked IP address of the demo user is disabled from tracking. Thank you.
Pretty exciting, right? What other videos would you like us to record? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video to people you know. Do you have questions or clarifications? Send them our way at knowhow@customerization.ca.